Everyone dreams of a stronger, more defined body, but getting started can feel overwhelming. The good news is, muscle building isn't reserved for athletes or gym veterans. With the right foundation, even total beginners can achieve real transformation. In this video, we'll walk through the essential steps to build muscle from scratch, including beginner-friendly workouts, nutrition basics, and mindset strategies for long-term success. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe for more practical fitness tips, full-body workout guides, and motivational content to help you stay consistent and see results. Everyone dreams of a stronger, leaner, more confident version of themselves, but for total beginners, the world of fitness can feel overwhelming. The weights, the routines, the diet plans. Where do you even start? The truth is, building muscle isn't about being perfect, it's about building momentum. You don't need years of experience or fancy equipment. You need the right mindset, structure, and a plan that works with your body, not against it. Total body transformation isn't just about changing how you look. It's about reshaping how you live, move, and think. Let's break down the science, the strategy, and the step-by-step system that helps beginners go from zero to strong, confident, and unstoppable. Point 10. Start with a solid foundation, mindset before muscle before you ever touch a dumbbell. Understand this, muscle building is a mental game. You won't see instant results, and that's okay. Success starts with patience, discipline, and consistency. Set realistic goals. Not six-pack in 6 days, but stronger than I was last month. Celebrate progress, not perfection. The early weeks are about learning how your body responds, not chasing numbers. Think long-term. The body you want next year begins with the habits you build today. Point 9. Learn proper form. Technique over ego. Nothing matters more than form. Many beginners make the mistake of lifting too heavy too soon, which leads to poor execution and injuries. Every rep should be controlled, every movement intentional. Start with light weights or even just your body weight until you master the basics. Squats, push-ups, deadlifts, lunges, and planks. Proper form activates the right muscles, improves posture, and lays the foundation for future strength. Remember, lift with purpose, not pride. Point 8. Focus on compound movements, build more in less time. For beginners, the goal is to train smart. Compound exercises like squats, bench presses, rows, and pull-ups work multiple muscle groups at once. They build functional strength, improve balance, and stimulate natural hormone release like testosterone and growth hormone, both essential for muscle growth. Start with full-body workouts 3 days a week, hitting major muscle groups. Once your body adapts, you can progress to a split routine. These foundational lifts are your golden ticket to transformation. Point 7. Progressive overload. The key to continuous growth. Muscle growth happens when you challenge your body beyond its comfort zone. That's where progressive overload comes in. Each week, aim to lift slightly heavier weights, add a few more reps, or improve your form. Even a 2 to 5% increase over time makes a big difference. Don't rush the process. Growth compounds slowly. Think of your training as climbing a staircase. Every step counts, and the top only comes to those who keep climbing. Point 6. Nutrition. Your muscles are built in the kitchen. You can't out-train a bad diet. To build muscle, your body needs fuel, protein for repair, carbohydrates for energy, and fats for hormonal balance. Aim for a caloric surplus. Eat slightly more calories than you burn daily. Focus on whole foods, lean meats, eggs, fish, rice, oats, fruits, and vegetables. And don't skip protein. Consume about 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight each day. Remember, food isn't your enemy. It's the foundation of every rep you perform. Point 5. Master recovery. Growth happens outside the gym. Muscle growth doesn't happen while you're lifting. It happens while you rest. Sleep, hydration, and recovery are just as vital as training. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Stay hydrated, and take rest days seriously. Overtraining slows progress and increases injury risk. Treat your recovery days as active healing. Stretch, walk, or do light yoga. The stronger you recover, the harder you can train next time. Rest isn't weakness, it's strategy. Point 4. Stay consistent. The real secret to transformation. Every beginner asks, how long will it take to see results? The answer, it depends on how consistent you are. Muscle transformation isn't measured in days, but in dedication. It's about showing up even when motivation fades. Consistency builds habits, habits build discipline, and discipline builds results. Missed workouts happen, just don't make quitting one of them. You don't need perfection. You need persistence. The strongest athletes aren't born different, they just didn't stop showing up. Point 3. Track your progress. Numbers don't lie, what gets measured gets improved. Keep a training log of your weights, sets, and reps. Track your body weight, take progress photos, and record measurements every few weeks. Visual progress can motivate you far more than the scale ever will. Small improvements, an extra rep, tighter form, better endurance, all add up to big changes. Transformation isn't just about how you look. It's about seeing proof that your effort pays off. Point 2. Stay patient and avoid comparison. One of the hardest lessons for beginners is realizing that everyone grows at a different pace. Comparing your journey to others steals your focus and motivation. Some build muscle faster due to genetics or experience. That doesn't define your potential. Focus on your path, your progress, and your goals. Patience is a lifter's greatest strength. Your dream body will come with time, effort, and faith in the process. Remember, slow progress is still progress, and it lasts longer. Point 1. Make it a lifestyle, not a phase. The real transformation happens when fitness becomes part of who you are, not just what you do. It's not about crash diets or 30-day challenges. It's about creating a routine that fits your life. Once the gym becomes your therapy and eating well becomes your default, results stop being temporary. Building muscle isn't a 12-week program. It's a lifelong commitment to better health, confidence, and strength. This isn't a sprint. It's the start of your forever journey. Your total body transformation begins the moment you decide to take action, to move, to lift, to eat right, and to keep going even when it's hard. Every rep builds not just muscle, but character. Every healthy meal fuels your future self. Every early morning or late night session is proof that you're taking control of your life. The journey from beginner to strong isn't easy, but it's worth it. You'll stumble, you'll sweat, and you'll doubt yourself. But one day, you'll look in the mirror and realize you didn't just build a new body, you built a new version of yourself. Keep going, your transformation has already begun. And that's your blueprint for a total body transformation. Remember, every strong physique starts with a single decision, the choice to begin. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and focus on progress, not perfection. If this video helped you take your first step toward muscle growth, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly training videos and expert fitness advice. Your transformation starts today, one rep, one meal, and one goal at a time.